Hello guys, in this video we will see is Rocket League down right now. Check server status Downdetector live update. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step check official Rocket League channels. Content begin by consulting the official sources for Rocket League server status. The most reliable information often comes directly from Psyonix, the game's developer access. The official Rocket League Twitter account Rocket League, as it is frequently updated with announcements regarding server maintenance, unscheduled downtime, or any known widespread issues. Additionally, the official Rocket League website or dedicated support pages may feature a server status, indicator, or recent news about service interruptions. These channels provide the most accurate first-hand accounts of server operational status. Step to utilize Downdetector for real-time reports. Content navigate to Downdetector.com and specifically search for Rocket League. Downdetector is a third-party service that collects user-submitted reports of service disruptions, displaying a live graph indicating the number of reported problems over the past 2 hours. A significant spike in this graph, accompanied by user comments detailing similar connection issues, is a strong indicator of a widespread server outage. The live update aspect refers to the continuous stream of new reports and user feedback, offering a dynamic view of the current situation. Step review community forums and social media. Content explore popular community platforms where Rocket League players congregate, such as Reddit, specifically Rocket League, or other dedicated gaming forums. If servers are experiencing widespread issues, a large volume of players will likely be posting about it, sharing their experiences and discussing potential solutions. Search for recent threads or posts related to server down, connection issues, or can't connect. This provides anecdotal evidence and helps confirm if the problem is affecting many others or is an isolated incident on your end. Step verify your own network connection. Content before concluding that Rocket League servers are down. Perform a self-diagnosis of your local internet connection. Ensure your router and modem are functioning correctly by power cycling them, turning them off and on again. Conduct a speed test or attempt to access other online services or websites to confirm your internet service provider is not experiencing an outage on consoles, or check your device's network settings to run a connection test. Sometimes what appears to be a server issue is actually a localized problem with your home network.
Step to understand next steps and troubleshooting content. If you've confirmed that Rocket League servers are indeed down, the primary course of action is patience. Developers are typically working diligently to restore service. Avoid repeatedly attempting to connect, as this can sometimes put unnecessary strain on the servers or your network. If servers appear to be operational according to official and third-party checks, but you still cannot connect, consider basic troubleshooting steps such as restarting the game application, rebooting your gaming device, clearing your game's cache, or checking for any pending game updates. For persistent isolated issues, contacting Psyonix support may be necessary.